Gutter cleaning with gutter guards can cost way more than you think, especially if the company hits you with surprise fees and spot cleaning charges. So, here's the deal. If you've got gutter guards, cleaning isn't as simple as just scooping out leaves. You gotta check and clean behind those guards because debris still sneaks through, especially if you have lots of trees around. When hiring someone, always tell them upfront about the guards, so they bring the right tools and don't charge extra for a surprise visit. Spot cleaning usually costs more per hour because it's fiddly work, so expect to pay more if they're just cleaning certain sections. For a one-story ranch, about 1,800 square feet, prices can vary, but over $600 sounds a bit steep unless the guards are super complex or the gutters are really clogged. Some people skip guards altogether and just clean gutters yearly because it's cheaper in the long run if you have heavy tree coverage. Big 6-inch gutters without guards let you keep it simple, just a yearly cleanup, and avoid those surprise fees. Always ask for a detailed estimate before work starts, so you know what you're getting into and avoid any show-up charges. One of the biggest mistakes with gutter cleaning and gutter guards is not telling the service provider you have guards installed, which often leads to extra fees for return trips or spot cleaning. Fix: be upfront and clear when booking. Another common issue is underestimating how often gutters need cleaning even with guards. Many think guards make them maintenance free, but they don't. Fix: plan for cleaning every 2 to 5 years depending on your tree cover. Lastly, people sometimes pick cheap mesh guards thinking they'll last forever, but these get clogged fast and make cleaning harder. Fix: invest in quality guards or just stick to regular cleanings without guards to save money long term. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors easy for homeowners so you're not stuck wondering who to trust. And if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with clients who actually need your work done.